An AUTOSAR XML file is an XML file standardized by AUTOSAR. Therefore ARXML stands for AUTOSAR Extensible Markup Language. A markup language describes properties, affiliations and representations of text and data quantities. The extensible markup language is used to hierarchically structure data in a text file, which can be read by humans and machines. AUTOSAR is specifying additional constraints on the AUTOSAR XML descriptions. For example, the character encoding of AUTOSAR XML descriptions must be UTF-8. No other encodings are allowed. Furthermore, AUTOSAR XML descriptions should start with an XML declaration that declares UTF-8 as the encoding. AUTOSAR also restricts the maximum length of the file name to 255 characters. There are many more specifications that are not discussed here. If you want to learn more about interesting topics, visit embedded-academy.com.